How to erase your QuickBooks online data and start over. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can erase your QuickBooks online data and start over. If you need to start afresh with a new QuickBooks online company, just follow these steps that I'll be showing you. The first step is to sign into your account as an admin. Ensure you are signed in into QuickBooks Online as an admin. And then the next step is to navigate to the company that you would like to delete the data. So once you are logged in into your account, by the left side of the screen, you can see a navigation bar. Then by the top right corner, you can see other icons. Move to the last icon, which is your profile icon, and then click on it. Once you click on it, the box displayed, you can see manage your Intuit account. Just click on it that way. So after clicking on manage your Intuit account, you'll be brought to another page where you can continue the process. So once you are brought to the Intuit page, you can see manage your account. Just scroll down and then click on data and privacy. Now you must note that for you to be able to clear your data and start all over again, you must have used your account for over 60 days. Okay, your account, your book should be 60 days or older. And so once you can do this and you have brought your data and account page, you'll be able to you'll see all of your data here. You see some options here. Okay, just follow the prompt and then you'll be directed on how you can delete your data and start all over again. You can always purge your data on this page, but the reason why mine is blank here is because I have not used my QuickBooks account for 30 days, for 60 days or older. Okay, so this is the criteria, and then once you've done that, just come over here, clear your data, and then you can now start all over again. So that is how it works. Okay, ensure you try it out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a good day.